Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I am going to show a different kind of t-shirt designs and how to generate different ideas from a single design. That is what I always want to share, that don't just watch a video I am making and just copy that. Generate ideas and make some new designs. That is how you will learn how to generate ideas. You can see here is a picture. I found this online and I really love this one, and I just want to make a design on this, but as you know, I just cannot use this same design or something similar. This is a very easy design, just a wolf silhouette in the background and then placing the text here and then minus front. But I just don't want to make a very similar design. I just want to make something identical but in a different way. So for that one I just placed the text here. You can see here I am focusing on this wolf text and leading text. That will be my two focus text, so I make that bigger and everything else is in a little bit smaller size. Here is a silhouette of wolf. I found this on free pick. It was free, and as you know, if I just directly use this one there will be copyright, but if I am using this one inside my design then there will be no copyright. So for this one here I just first of all I am going to change its color so that I can see it properly. Now for this one here I am just placing it in front of my text, and now I am aligning it. And what I want is I just want to match this lower part with my text lower part, but I want its face to be upper of my text. So for this one here, first of all I need to make a copy of this wolf. So I am going to control C, that means copy. I just copied it and I will need that later, but for now I am going to select all of them, and now I am going to use my shape builder tool, shift M, that is shape builder. So for this one here I just want to keep my text only, and everything else is outside of my text will be removed. So for that one I have to just click on somewhere else that is not in my text. So if I click here, shift press alt and then click here, you can see everything else was outside of my text is now removed. Now I have to just fix this areas, something like this. Okay, so this part is done here, just a little things to fix here. Okay, everything else is good. Here is a little mistake. Okay, so here I wanted to make this effect here. As you can see, my wolf image is visible in front of my text, and I want that wolf's head to be visible here, and that's why I kept a copy. So I am just going to now control F, that means paste in front, and that will paste that wolf exactly in the same place where I copied that. So I am just going to select this one, taking my eraser tool. I just want to erase everything else and just want to something keep something like this. So you can see now my wolf's head is visible and my text is visible too. So everything here is visible. I can just use my eraser tool here to make a eye kind of something here. Yeah, that will give a view like that's the wolf's eye. Okay, so my design is now ready. This is the design I wanted to make. Now I am just making a group of it. Okay, before making the group, you can see we can simply select our wolves from here, that part, and then we can use this whole area and we can simply change the color too. Okay, so I'm just going to keep this red for now. I'm going to make a group. So this is my final design. Now for this design, from this design, how to generate ideas. Now you can make some Google search like I can convert this design or this same effect to any other designs I want. Like I can make a dog design, a cat design, a horse design, anything I want. Just search Google for horse quote. You will find some good quote here. I take this one. You can find like dog quote. You will find some good quotes here. You can take them and simply you can make some designs like this. These are all I made to show you. Now you can see these are the same text. Now you don't need to make that exact copy, but you can make this feel, or you can take this idea to convert it into a different style of designs. Now for this one here, I just focused on feelings and love you. Little dog gonna love you. This two text here, a horse and care. This two was my focus text. You can see how easily. Okay, as you can see there I made some mistake. I can take my shape builder tool again and then fix these areas. Okay guys, so this was just to show you how to take an idea and then convert that into any other different designs, or you can use this technique to convert any requirement like your client requirements or anything. Then you can convert it with another design, or you can make another design using this same idea. So one more thing I just want to share, that you guys, some of you are trying to work on Fiverr or Upwork. That is good, but I have a little tip for you, and that is, don't just go and try for client work. You know, there is a lot of things you need to know. You need to make a lot of designs. You need a lot of experience to work for a client. You don't know what the requirement your client will send you or what will you get. So don't just go and create an account. You know, it will take 2-3 months for you to just make an account and get some sales, and just one bad review can destroy your whole work. Just one bad review can destroy your whole work. So don't just go for client work. Take your time, do some practice. Once you are experienced enough, once you have done enough design, then go for client work. Otherwise please don't go. Then that will be better for you. It doesn't matter for me how you can, if you want to work for client on Fiverr or anywhere else, or you want to design for your store, that doesn't concern me. But from my experience I can say that a bad review can destroy your 2-3 months of work. So first of all, learn properly and then go for premium works, and that is how you will survive in this marketplace. Otherwise it will be a waste of time for you. So do a lot of practice and then go for premium works. So thank you guys, this will be all for today. See you in the next video. Have a good time.